Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's digital world, staying connected across border is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. In this video, I am introducing a modern eSIM solution that helps you manage mobile data and phone numbers with ease, all without needing a physical SIM card. Its name is LeeSIM. Before we move ahead, I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel Asma Crypto and hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notification. Let me clear that this content is for educational and informational purpose only. Plan, features and availability may vary depending on your location and selection. So do your own research before making any decision. Let's have a closer look at the service. Viewers, LeeSIM platform provides advanced eSIM packages designed for users who value flexibility, simplicity, and reliable digital connectivity wherever you go. And it provides you two options, eSIM option and physical SIM card option. Both options are available. The platform offers two main types of plans. Data-only plans, these are perfect for users who only need internet access for browsing, streaming, or working online while traveling. Second option is plans with Hong Kong phone numbers. These plans combine mobile data with a dedicated Hong Kong number, giving you additional functionality for communication and account management. So these packages are starting from pricing $41.98 with 30 GB data and 180 days validity. So if you want to check out the plan details here, you can check out that this eSIM plan includes not only data but also a Hong Kong phone number for receiving free SMS messages. Unlimited SMS messages are available during the plan's validity period, and activate your data plan within 30 days. It will be unusable or unrefundable after the order expires, and the network services will be suspended when the data limit is reached during the validity period. And data and SMS services include in plans are only valid in the countries covered by the plan. Here you can check out the pricing plans for the data-only plan starting from $2.98 with 1 GB data, 7-day validity. And here you can also check out other pricing plans that are being provided with affordable prices and amazing data volume. Let's explore what makes these plans stand out. You can easily receive verification codes, making it simple to register or access platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any other. Your Hong Kong number remains active throughout your plan period with no hidden or additional monthly fees. Even after your plan expires, your number stays reserved for up to 3 months at no extra cost. The platform may offer occasional promotions providing added value and benefits depending on current offers. An important point to understand, global plans allow usage across multiple countries. Single region plans are restricted to one specific location. Both data and SMS services will only function within the selected plan's coverage area and will not operate outside of it. Now I will explain how to create new account. Getting started is quick and straightforward. First of all, you will have to enter your email address and request a verification code. You will check your inbox and enter the code to proceed, and then you will create a password with at least 6 characters and confirm it. You can also choose a username if you prefer. Then you will enter a referral code if you have one and decide whether you want to receive promotional updates or not, and then click on the register button and your account will be ready in moments. Viewers, this solution is ideal for anyone who needs reliable connectivity, secure verification access, and a flexible digital number, whether you are traveling, working remotely, or managing multiple platforms. In short, that LeeSIM service offers a practical and modern way to stay connected while keeping full control over your number and usage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to check out the official website to explore the plans for yourself, and subscribe Asma Crypto for more useful content like this. See you in the next video.